Hey music makers, tired of pricey studio sessions and complicated plugins? Meet Kits AI, your all-in-one AI studio for voice cloning, vocal removal, mixing, and more. And right now, my exclusive link below unlocks a massive 75% off, limited time only. So let's dive in. What is Kits AI? Kits AI gives producers, singers, and content creators studio quality tools in the cloud. Upload a few dry vocals or stems, and its AI handles the rest, from cloning voices that sing any style to isolating vocals and mastering your tracks. Kits.ai key features feature why it matters. Custom voice cloning. Train a model on your voice and sing in any genre or blend voices for unique timbres. 75 plus royalty-free singing voices and 25 plus instruments. Drop them into tracks without licensing headaches. Kits.ai vocal toolkit, one-click vocal remover, de-echo, de-reverb, and de-harmony for crystal clear stems. AI mixing and mastering polishes your song in minutes, no engineer required. Kits.ai unlimited conversions. Experiment as much as you like on paid plans. Kits.ai ready to level up your sound? Click the exclusive link in the description. The 75% discount auto applies at checkout. Pick the plan that fits. Converter, creator, or composer, each already slashed by 75% for my viewers. Start cloning voices, removing vocals, and releasing radio-ready tracks today. Hurry, this deal is strictly limited time. Once it's gone, regular pricing kicks back in, so lock it in now. If this saved you cash and studio time, smash like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment with the first song you'll run through Kits AI. Grab your 75% off through the link below and unleash your creativity with Kits AI. See you in the next video.